Hi everyone, just want to plant another seed of hope in your heart today. Listen to what Jesus said in Matthew chapter 11, verse 27. All things have been delivered to me by my Father, and no one knows the Son except the Father, nor does anyone know the Father except the Son, and the one to whom the Son wills to reveal him. Then in verse 28 through 30, Jesus invites us into his rest, to get rest for our souls. The key, check this out. Jesus says, no one knows the Father except the Son, and the one to whom the Son wills to reveal him. Lift your hand in the air and say, I am the one. Family and friends, you are the one. I am the one. We are the ones to whom Jesus wills to reveal the Father. When we get a revelation of the Father's heart towards us, that is the key that lets us enter into the rest for our souls that Jesus is talking about. God bless you and have an amazing day in the Lord.